Hello everybody, this is Chef Panikage with Wardens of the Aether. Welcome to another video. We got an unboxing today from Airsoft GI. It's going to be a nice one, I think. Let me just pull up some information on this today, because I'm excited. When this dropped, it just looked too good not to grab. So, alright. Got my information set up. Let's go grab that box and open this sucker up. Alright. Okay. So, as some of you viewers out there might know, I enjoy, well, I'm not necessarily a big fan of M4s, but the angles and everything on this just looked too sexy to pass up. Okay. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Feeling a little under the weather myself, but that is completely okay. Now, I've had this for about a week and I'm finally getting this opened. It's a Zion Arms. And yeah. I'm sure everybody who's been following Airsoft GI's live stream knows what this is. So, just in case, if people don't know, Airsoft GI does a live stream on Tuesdays and Thursdays around 7 p.m. Eastern. No, it starts at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and they have entries over the weekends that you can get for a $20 order subtotal. You get an entry in, and you can actually win a shopping spree giveaway. Now, they've been doing this for a while, and it's been awesome. A lot of winners, a lot of regulars too. And it's funny and great because the winners lately have been a lot of first-time shoppers at Airsoft GI, and they learn about that giveaway too. And the best thing is, it's just buying stuff you need. You buy stuff you need, you get an entry. Like, so the hack is get gift cards, stack it up. Each one counts as one entry. If you stay on the live stream, they do have a special time. Not gonna tell you when that is, because I want you guys to join that live stream too. Join the fun. It's a great group of people and everything. There's rules, of course. So just play nice, be nice. You know, you might be having a bad day. I get it. But hey, let's just have fun, enjoy ourselves. Hang out with Cisco, Isaias, Boss Man, everybody, like, shoot. But, yeah, join the live stream, you guys. Lots of cool stuff, lots of good information. But here we have a Zion Arms. And it is got this nice patch from Zion Arms. Got this card, which is good. Got this speed loader, cleaning rod, mid-cap magazine, mid-cap, everybody. All the Airsoft manufacturers, mid-cap. I personally, I just don't like the winding. Mid-cap's where it's at. But here we have the full metal Zion Arms R15 M4. Well, I guess I can't really call it an M4. It's an R15. Now this beauty right here is gray. You can see it's got the trademark logo for Zion right there. I really like their logo, actually. full metal billet style receiver, M-lock rail system, 10-inch outer barrel. Huh, I'm curious about that outer barrel. Just because it's recessed into that rail. So I'm hoping that I can fit a good tracer on that. Got one in mind, but yeah. Flat trigger, fully adjustable delta stock, programmable MOSFET, one of the best deals on the market, the Zion Arms Nebula MOSFET. Get you that semi-auto only, binary, 2 to 5 round burst modes, active braking, increased trigger response, has a high torque motor. Airsoft GI did a couple videos on this, said that it's decent rate of fire, but since a lot of fields are going semi-auto only, I'm looking for more snappy trigger response, just boop, done. It's wired to Dean's already, which is good and bad. I need to get more Dean's batteries, so get your connectors. You got your QD mounts, you know, the cuties. Rotary style hop up, and if I recall, this thing actually does have a functioning bolt catch, which is awesome. It's actually got good weight and everything. And oh, the fire selector, it's nice and smooth, which is great because my PW9 Mod 1 is a little on the stiffer side. So won't be able to put the Atlas Works flared magwell on this because, as you can see, it's got a more aggressive shaping on that magwell. But that just feels nice, very beautiful. Little wobble wobble inside that magwell. Oh, had to push it in more. Got to get it all the way. But yeah, for a full metal receiver, it really does not feel all too heavy. Now I wonder if, let's see. They said that the glue is usually fairly weak on that tip. So I'm gonna see if maybe that still holds true even for this one, and hopefully we can get that off without much struggle, because it comes with that flash hider. That's feeling all right. All right, yep. Come on. It's got the gunk on it, but we got that orange tip off. Nice and easy. Come on. I keep forgetting. It's counterclockwise. So we're doing lefty. Gonna have to take some more of that glue off, but as you can see, flash hider fits perfectly on. Now it is ready for tracer units. This thing is just too sexy. Like goddamn. Like goddamn. No? Get yours today at Airsoft GI. They have a lot of package deals. R15 by Zion Arms. Yeah, 315, 325, 325, which to me, for something that's pretty solid out of the box, like we're gonna do an airsoft taste test like we normally do, But this thing is sick. Sick nasty. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Chef Panikage with Wardens of the Aether. Yeah, just kind of wanted to focus on this guy right now. Stay tuned for more channel updates. I know it's been a while, so. All right, take care.